I stand on the mountaintop of my soul and cause my spiritual vision to encompass more. For as he thinketh in his heart, so is he. Proverbs 23:7. As far as mind extends, so far extends heaven. The Upanishad. My soul hath built for me a habitation. Book of the Dead. Note that the Proverbs does not say that we are as we think we are. Quite the contrary. It says we are as we think. Here is a vast difference. We might imagine ourselves to be very clever while remaining quite dull. But if our thoughts are brilliant, we also will be brilliant. As we think in our heart, so are we. The heart stands for the center of consciousness, the points from which everything that we are circulates. It is said that Moses was led by the divine spirit into a high mountain and told that all the land that his vision could encompass, his feet could tread upon. This high mountain stands for an exalted place in consciousness. As consciousness extends its vision, it extends the possibility of its objective experience. This means that objectively we possess that which subjectively we encompass. Our soul is always building a habitation for us, because consciousness is forever dealing with first cause, with the causeless cause, with that which plays with cause and effect as children play ball. Emerson tells us to stay at home with a cause, to build a habitation and therein to dwell. It is wonderful to realize that our true home is not made with hands, but is eternal in the heaven. Today I stand on the mountaintop of my soul and cause my spiritual vision to encompass more. I will push out the horizons of my previous experiences in order that I may have more room. My soul will look out and see that all is well. I am filled with peace, with joy, and with contentment.